Hi guys, video number 2 about the Arcmill. Didn't say in the first video, this is the manual. So it's got a printed manual, it's really good, it's easy to follow, so that comes with it. Small thing, but a good thing in my opinion. This piece is an additional track for the wires, which funnily enough didn't have any wires in it, so I've taken it off. It was down this side here and it went up and around and it didn't have anything in it, so I've taken it off. You need this this side to route the wires, and there's one on the back there, so I took it off. That's why it's over there on the bench. Something else I missed in the first video, which is of great benefit as well, is there's a LED work light just here, and if I pop that on, so another nice little touch there. And the controller, which I didn't mention as well, it's running on a I don't know how to say it, a Arduino board, which is running Estelcam. Estelcam's fantastic software. It's a CAM software and a CNC controller built in. I'll show you that in a sec. It's got proximity home switches, and you can see those, they light up green there. NEMA 23 stepper motors, all very nice, linear rails. Just thought I'd mention as well a couple of other things I've got for sale, CNC things, which might be of interest. They're not, it's not properly laid out, but just thought I'd mention. I've got these vacuum pots for holding things down, if anyone's interested in those. And I've got a vacuum bed. It's just here, that's going to be for sale as well. And to top it off, I've got this high frequency spindle motor here, which has got a custom made ER20 collet on it, and it's got a matching VFD as well, a decent VFD. It's not Chinese, it's Japanese. So good quality VFD, Italian spindle motor. It's Techno motor, so it's really good brand. And they're for sale as well, so if you're interested in those, let me know. So, CNC. Estelcam, if I fire that up. And this is the cam side, so you can bring in a DXF and then add the machine into it here on the left, or it's got a tool table as well here to save your tools into, or you can bring in a SVG, which I think is a 3D file. If I was keeping this, I think my recommended workflow would be, depending on what you want to do, it would be take a picture or a drawing, and that you can scan things on websites. If you Google PNG or JPEG to DXF, you can upload pictures to websites and it will give you the DXF back, so you can download the DXF. And also there's other websites where you can just download DXFs of things that you want to carve. So I mean, it's Christmas time at the moment, you could carve Merry Christmas into a bit of wood, anything you want, sky's the limit. So for the purposes of this, I've made a heart, or I've converted this heart PNG picture file to a DXF, and then I've opened it in Estelcam, and then I've applied this toolpath that you can see going around the outside. So that's the cam side, and then all we need to do is go to the controller. So this is the control side, and this is so this is talking to the machine through USB, The control of this is important though. The control of the machine is actually on the board in the machine, which is round here. So it's very neat. The only bit that's coming off the machine is the USB, and all the control is inside this box. So it's not actually going through the USB. It's on the machine itself. So this is fired up and talking to it, so I can home it, which is find my mouse, this button here, just to see it homing now. Backs off. It's very easy to use this, and it's going to home on the X there, and it homes it again more slowly. There we go. And it's homing the Y. Brilliant. So I'm gonna, this is like the jog panel here. I'm gonna just bring the Y in a bit. About there, I think. And the X in a bit. And then you can click on these numbers and zero them. I can't remember if I need to bring, I'm going to bring down the Z a bit. If this is necessary. This is just a test file just to show you the operation. Then open, so this is what I saved earlier. This is the G code for that heart. Open that, you can see the path and there's no errors. It would have come up with a limit error then when I opened it if it thought there was anything wrong. Here's the G code and we can play. Where's my cursor gone? Play, there it is. There we go. So it's just traversing to the start. I think it's really handy having that light. And there it goes. All in all, just a really nice package. As I say, it looks brand new, really nicely made. Estelcam, I can't praise it high enough for someone that wants to put together some little projects, carving things into bits of wood. It's really good. Away you go. Brilliant. Well, I'll stop it there and get in contact if you're interested. Thanks very much.